What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the Machingoon channel. I just came back from the gym and it feels good to feel more active. Today I'll be making this video in English, so don't give me hate for my pocho ass. If I say something wrong, just leave it down in the comments below. All right, to get this video started, I can't. All right, to get this video started, I have like a good idea. Quick YouTube. Just a quick YouTube and not do it. That's it. That's my idea. Just quit YouTube. Like, I've been trying to do this video in English. Nomás no puedo.
Don't look at me. Look at the camera.
Dude, my bad, man. All right, to get this video, all right, I got it. All right, to get this video started, I'm gonna try to do something different for this channel. I've been watching YouTube lately, so I'm gonna try to recreate like a rolling video. I have the GoPro 10 and I have the GoPro 8 just laying around, so I'm gonna try to mount it into my wife's car, and it could turn out like a good video or it could turn out like a bad video. The bad video will be like running over the camera, right? Yeah, that's yeah, I know. So fingers crossed for that. I hope it doesn't happen, but I don't know. I'm gonna give it a try. It's something new, something different for this channel, since I never done like a rolling video. I don't even know what do I have to like really do. What do I have to do? I don't know. Let's just mount the camera and just drive on back of it, right? What? Yeah, I think that's it. I hope I get like a good shot. I hope I get a good shot of the car. All right, with that being said, I washed this car like 2 days ago, and just the weather been like so bad, but thanks to Detail Garage, shout out to Detail Garage in Calexico. I don't know if you guys saw the last video, but they had like a special 50% off on products, so I had to pick something up. I'm just gonna give it like a little wipe down so it will look good on the videos. So I don't know, let's just get started for the video. I've been trying like to do the intro of this video a lot, and I just can't do it, but I'm gonna dedicate myself and just keep going. That's it. All right, let's get started. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is go to Walmart because I need another memory card for the GoPro 8. I'm gonna take this bad girl. Let's go. All right, guys, since we out here getting the SD card, might as well go Hot Wheel hunting. It's another hobby we have. I don't know if you guys do the same thing, but try to look for the JDM Hot Wheels. Fuck, there's nothing. Dude, there's only like, what the hell? Oh well, I think we're just getting the SD card. Man, they need to stock on Hot Wheels, man. They should have the Fast and the Furious ones. Oh well. Alright, let's get back to the video. Alright guys, I'm gonna try my luck. I'm getting one of these, so what the hell? What the fuck? Alright guys, so we got what we needed, so let's keep going with the video. I'm just staring at the sun. I'm just staring at the sun. Now full glazing.
Is that a song?
I'm an island boy.
Oh, no. Sounds beautiful.
I know, it sounded like Godzilla, like fucking Godzilla shit. All right right, guys, we made it back in the house. Now we have to see where we can mount the GoPro for the rolling video. I don't want to use those suction cups. I want to make it real secure so it won't fall. So I have this magnet. I'm just gonna put it in here, which I hope it doesn't fall, and I'm just gonna flip the camera. Yeah, I hope it gets a good angle. Oh shit. Or otherwise I could just flip it like more over here. I could put it right here. Just flip the camera here. Secure it. And that's it. I don't think it's going, I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. I hope not, because I really don't want this GoPro to go to waste. It could help us do more of the type of video. So we're just gonna try it and do it like this. So I hope it works. So yeah, let's keep going with the rolling videos. Let's do it. All right, guys, so the camera's ready. We're gonna try to take some short clips and let's see how it goes. Fingers crossed this GoPro survives. So please, 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 let's keep going. Just wish us luck, cause GoPro's going in and you stay there. Stay. Hope it sticks. All right, everybody, I just bought some Starbucks for the team. Thanks for my wife and my brother. What happened?
Poisoning.
You don't like the coffee?
No.
Hope you guys like the video. This is my first time trying to record a rolling video. I hope the edit turns out fine. So please like, comment, and subscribe. This video was kind of hard for me because it was the first video I tried to record in full English. I hope it turns out good, but with that being said, like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Machingoon.